Hey guys, welcome to Bare Minimum Customs with yet another YouTube video, this time longer form again. Shout out to Cole from MCG Works. He ran a contest lately, I think you all saw it already, and he actually triggered us to release some content on YouTube instead of always reviewing the normal Lego sets and get likes and subscribes just to get free sets from Lego. He really pushed us to get into our own content, and actually I enjoyed this contest a lot, but I will explain you more later on in this video. I just wanted to give a quick recap on what happened in the last month of October, because a lot was going on here in the Bare Minimum Customs. And without further ado, let's dive into it. So as you can see, I got a bunch of sets spread out here, a bunch of builds. And I'm starting off with original Lego set. And yes, even though the aim of the contest was not to review original Lego sets, I'm gonna give a quick one here because I actually got this Wally set. It came with three small builds. Of course, Wally itself. Now, I'm not familiar with Wally or anything regarding him, uh, but I needed this set for some parts and decided to build the set anyways. The good thing about this set is actually that it is a build together set. So Lego really aims to have two persons building this set at the same time. And overall, I have to say that it was pretty well balanced. So in terms of the number of parts and the steps that you have to build, you finish right alongside each other. So the two white ones came together, and then Wally was a standalone. Um, yeah, once again, Lego being Lego, there's a lot of nice details in there, some nice building techniques, and overall they did a fine job. I'm gonna break it apart because I need some parts in this set. For instance, if you can see this 1x3 tile, it's gonna be amazing for Speed Champion diorama. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll try my hands on this for change. The other one is of course this robot, a spacey looking robot. Fairly nice build, nice details, clean finish, and I'm especially triggered by this curved slope. It's the new one that came at the Shelby Cobra set first for the first time in dark blue, and now it's in white. I need this for reasons, so stay tuned to find out why I'm using that one. With it came a GWP in form of the baby astronaut, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe this was a previous purchase. I don't remember fairly anymore. Anyway, I kept this in the box for a while, thinking I would sell it, but actually there are some parts, some smaller parts that I can use for my builds. So stay tuned to find out what I'm gonna do with this baby astronaut. Then, of course, by now you all know that Cole ran a contest and I built the 964 Targa in sand green. Ever since the typewriter came out with these Porsche hips, I actually wanted to build the 911 in sand green, but due to the limited parts in sand green, I never could truly find out what I wanted to build until this contest came along. Cole really triggered us to make some content on YouTube, and I got over 300 views, which is fairly nice, I have to say. So shout out to Cole and shout out to the judges who actually gave their honest opinion about all the builds in the contest. And there were a lot. I'm really surprised that I won. I'm very honored as well. Spent a lot of time trying to create a new level on this icon skill 911. As you can see, I used the brown steering wheel from the CRLB Cobra set. That was one of the main reasons why I actually bought the Cobra. And yeah, I'm just really happy with how it came out. If you want to check some more details, head over to my Instagram because I got a lot of those. Then a classic, a real classic, 917K Salzburg livery. Even though it comes without the stickers at the moment, I'm not the biggest fan of stickers. It looks awesome already. This is creator expert style, so a little smaller than what I'm used to. But ever since I saw this Moc, I knew I had to build it one day. Didn't really give myself the time for it, due to the stickers mainly. But I'm so happy that I actually built it now. It looks amazing. It's sturdy. It's unbreakable almost. So much details packed in it, and the build was just fun to build all along. So really happy. Shout out to Pingo Briggs. You all know him by now because the whole world watches his Mazda 787B build videos. And if you haven't, go check him out. It's worth your time. And then lastly, another amazing build. This time from no other than 3D Supercar Bricks. It's the 911 Targa with the Brumos, the famous Brumos livery. Once again, this is without the stickers yet. I'm waiting for the stickers. I will use them eventually, but even without the stickers, it looks amazing. Once again, this is creator expert style, so a little smaller than I'm used to, but there's enough details packed in it. He got some of his own custom 3D printed bricks, of course the wheels as well, and it's just a very nice build overall. I highly recommend this, and it's a welcome addition to my collection at the moment. So thank you once again, really cool. And this concludes the builds that I did in October. Now, of course, as you know, I'm very busy with my own builds. For instance, a little sneak peek of the mock I'm making at the moment. More details will follow. Actually, my little cousin finished this build last weekend, and I'm gonna fine tune it, and you'll see what will come out of this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.